Well, that transition somewhere, somehow, will have to happen. With Azimio la Umoja One Kenya presidential candidate Raila Odinga indicating he will be heading to the Supreme Court to challenge the election of his rival William Ruto in the just concluded presidential election, the country is once again staring at a battle royale in the country's apex court. Already, the Supreme Court has set up a temporary venue at the Milimani courts where hearings of the presidential petition will be heard and determined. And as our reporter Grace Nganga now reports, this is the procedure of the petition.
With the declaration of Kenya Kwanza presidential candidate William Ruto as president-elect, focus of the nation now shifts from the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission to the highest court in the land. Outside the Milimani Law Courts in Nairobi, it's all systems go. A white tent has already been pitched, security tightened, with the office of the registrar at the Supreme Court ready to receive applications of any petitions challenging the election of Ruto as president. Unlike in the past where the matter was heard at the Supreme Court, this time round, the hearing will be at a special allotted place in Milimani courts. Following Chebukati's announcement on Monday, any person aggrieved with poll outcome can challenge the verdict at the Supreme Court by Monday, the 22nd of August, being 7 days since the announcement. 24 hours after an individual files the petition, the petitioner is supposed to serve the respondent. Then, a response to the petition should be filed and served within 4 days after the respondent has been served. Another 24 hours later, a rejoinder should be filed and served. According to the Supreme Court, interlocutory applications should then be filed and served within 24 hours from filing the response to the petition. This will then be followed by a response to the interlocutory applications that should be filed and served within another 24 hours. Third-party applications should be filed and served 24 hours from the date of filing a response to the petition that will then be followed by a pre-trial conference that will be held 8 days from the date of filing the presidential election petition. Immediately after the pre-trial conference, hearing of the petition will take place in the Supreme Court that will be overseen by Chief Justice Martha Koome. The petition will then be determined 14 days from the day it was filed. In the absence of any petition challenging the election, Ruto and Rigathi were to be constitutionally sworn in on the 30th of this month, being the first Tuesday following the 14th day since the date of declaration of the election result, making him the 5th president and Rigathi the 2nd deputy president of the republic. But with the announcement of a petition by Odinga, Ruto and Rigathi will wait longer before assuming office.
That we will be pursuing all constitutional and legal options available to us. We will do so because we regard the many flaws in the elections and the wrongs committed by the IEBC as fatal to the process and the outcome announced by Mr. Chebukati.
Article 140 of the Constitution directs that the court should hear and deliver a verdict on the petition within 14 days, thus fixing the deadline at Sunday, the 4th of September. And should the bench uphold the election outcome, the Ruto Rigathi swearing should be the 7th day from the date of the verdict. In this case, the latest, the 11th of October. And in the event the election is nullified, Kenyans head back to the polls within 60 days from the date of the Supreme Court verdict. Grace Nganga, KTN News, Nairobi.
Right, the battle that the war cry, the battle royale, is definitely convened. Time now for a short break. When we come back, I will be speaking to Dr. Anthony Waititu Gishuhi. He's the chairperson of the Department of Statistics and Actuarial Sciences and also the acting dean, School of Mathematics and Physical Sciences at the Jomo Kenyatta JKU Art. Right, time now to take a break. When we come back, we'll be doing some calculations on the board here tonight. Stay with us. We're back in a moment.